everyone, I am Emma. Today we are going on an adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at the colors! Green trees, blue sky. It is a beautiful morning.
Oh, look! It is a monkey! A blue monkey! Hello, little monkey!
My name is Emma. Do you want to be friends?
Monkey likes Emma. His name is Coco. Coco sits on her shoulder. He points to the river.
Look, Coco, a river. We need to cross the river. Can we swim? No, we cannot.
Look at the rock. There is a frog. A green frog.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It is slippery. Jump! And jump! This is fun. We are almost there, Coco.
They are across the river. High five. Good teamwork.
Hey explorers! Don't forget to click that big subscribe button to join our amazing adventures in the jungle with our little friend here.
They walk deeper into the jungle. The trees are getting bigger. The gate does not have a key. It has 3 empty holes, a circle, a square, and a triangle.
We need to find a circle shape.
Good boy, Coco. A red berry. Is it round? Yes, it is a circle.
The hole glows red. Now they need a blue square.
Look, a blue rock. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. It is a square.
Only one left. A yellow triangle. The gate begins to shake. Slowly, the heavy stone doors open. Golden light shines out.
Wow, look at this place. It is the Crystal Cave.
They run out of the dark cave and into a secret garden. But wait, something is glowing.
It is a treasure map.
Coco points at the map and jumps. Woo!
It looks like another adventure is waiting for us. Do you want to see where the map takes us? See you in the next adventure!